Okay, now we are on problem 14, which by the way is my favorite problem from this AMC. Here's what it says. Nicholas is planning to send a package to his friend Anton, who is a stamp collector. To pay for the postage, Nicholas would like to cover the package with a large number of stamps. Suppose he has a collection of 5 cent, 10 cent and 25 cent stamps with exactly 20 of each type. What is the greatest number of stamps Nicholas can use to make exactly $7.10 in postage? So he has 20 stamps of these 3 types and he wants to make this amount, $7.10, and we have to find the greatest number of stamps he can use to do this. Alright, so to maximize the number of stamps, the obvious idea here is to use as many of the small stamps as we can. So we have 20 of the, if we use 20 of the 5 cent stamps, so I'm going to write this as 5 cent like this. So this gives me $1. And if I use all the 10 cent stamps available, so 20 into all the 10 cent stamps, this will give me another $2. So now I get up to a total of $3. But what Nicholas needs is $7.10. So we still need to go another $4.10. Now the problem is that this amount, $4.10, which is 410 cents, is actually not divisible by 25. So if you use up all the 25 cent and 10 cent stamps, the remaining amount cannot be made up evenly by the 25 cent stamps. So now comes the key idea. What we need to do now is to give up a certain number or reduce a certain number of 5 cent and 10 cent stamps to increase or bump up this amount in a way that it becomes divisible by 25. So let's do that. So we have 410 and the closest multiple of 25 that is higher than 410 should be 425, which is 15 higher than 410. So 15 cents more. So if we give up some of these stamps so that this amount becomes $4.25, then that amount can be made up evenly by the 25 cent stamps. So all I need to do is to give up one 5 cent and one 10 cent stamp, and that adds up 15 cents to this amount, and that can be made up evenly by the 25 cent stamps. So therefore, I have now 19 5 cent stamps, and this gives me 95 cents. And then I have 19 10 cent stamps, so 19 10 cent stamps, this gives me $1.90, and then the remaining amount is now $4.25 or 425 cents, and 425 divided by 25 is 17. All right, so all I need to do now is take 17 of the 25 cent stamps, and 17 times 25, that will be $4.25, and now we have our answer. So the greatest number of stamps possible is 19 plus 19, that's 38, plus 17 or 55. So beautiful idea involved here, and the correct answer is E, 55.